Welcome back, Crammers, to question 24. 2k over 4n is equal to 2x. Find an expression for x in terms of k and n. What does that mean? So that means x is equal to something done to k and something done to n. Let's find out what that is. Okay. So here we have 2 to the power of k and we have 4 to the power of n. But we can actually rewrite this to 2 to the power of 2n. Why is that? Because 2 to the power of 2 is 4, which is here, and we have n, which is already there. Why are we doing this? Because we want the same base. So 2 to the power of 2n is equal to 2x. Now that we have the base, we can see that the powers are 2 to the power of k over 2 to the power of 2n. And when we have 8 to the power of n times 8 to the when dividing 8 to the power of m, it simply means that we subtract. So what does that mean? We can actually remove the n's and write this as k minus 2n is equal to x. X is equal to k minus 2n. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching. Cram and scram.